Today's DIY style hack episode was inspired by me casually just laying around, catching up on the latest of And Just Like That. Here I am, minding my business, rubbing my feet together, and then boom, Carrie Bradshaw does it yet again.
Especially at the high school level.
I literally froze. We paused the TV, leaned in like, oh, we're doing this. There she was in a sweatshirt cut and tied in the back. The most simple idea, and I'm sitting there like, why didn't I think of that? Instantly, my brain's calculating. Sweatshirt, scissors, tie in the back, closet.
I could do that.
And before I knew it, I rolled out the bed to make a mad dash. This hack, a total no-brainer. And just like that, I was pulling out an old sweatshirt that I barely wear. Because sometimes the chicest looks don't come from shopping, they come from reimagining what you already have.
You have one new message.
Fuck it up, fucking it. I love when you count me out. I love when you count me out.
This hack is super easy, and trust me, you don't even need much. Aside from your sweatshirt, all you need is a good pair of scissors. First, lay your sweatshirt flat on the floor. Start by cutting the bottom hem or band completely off. This gives you more flexibility. Next, fold the sweatshirt in half so you can find the exact center of the back. If you're nervous, you can even draw a line as a guide. Now cut straight up the back, stopping right where your bra strap would hit, and just like that, you're done. Give it a quick tie in the back, adjust it to fit your shape, and suddenly that old sweatshirt, totally brand new. For today's outfit, I hijacked Carrie's look of a maxi plaid skirt, but of course added my own streetwear spin. I pulled out this thrifted skirt I had on ice, laced up my New Balance 530s, threw on an exclusive jeweled beanie, a silver clutch, and topped it off with a dramatic rhinestone necklace. It's giving Carrie, but my way. Comfy, perfect for fall days, and most importantly, styled straight from my own closet. No mall, no late night online checkout, just reworking what I already own. Sometimes the best looks are already in our possession. We just need a little spark to ignite the idea. If you love today's video, let me know by hitting like, subscribe for more, and most importantly, save this hack for your old sweatshirt. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.